A lot of businesses need equipment and they don't have, their banks are not approving it. They're having a hard time to be able to purchase the equipment to grow and expand their business. We can do up to a $5 million equipment loan. Hey guys, good morning. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, where America goes for funding. Call or text Angelo Christian, your direct nationwide lender, 832-431-6331. Today we're talking about equipment loans. We're one of the only lenders in America that offers nationwide equipment financing up to $5 million. A lot of businesses need equipment and they don't have, their banks are not approving it. They're having a hard time to be able to purchase the equipment to grow and expand their business. We can do up to a $5 million equipment loan with great terms, interest rates starting at 7%. You just have to have a 550 plus credit score, at least 1 year in business, with a business bank account, and then you're eligible to apply to purchase your equipment. You need a purchase order for the equipment, but you can literally get up to $5 million for your business for purchase orders and equipment. So if you're looking for a business loan and you're having a hard time, with your bank or whatever the reason is, and you want to work with us, we love to help you guys. We love helping entrepreneurs, business owners to grow and expand their business. That's what we're about. So call or text Angelo Christian if we can help you, 832-431-6331. Let's make it happen.